Hey publishers, this is Naomi from MonetizeMore social team. Welcome to Best Publisher Practices, where growing pubs learn how to maximize ad revenue potential. Today, we're diving into a topic that has been buzzing in the ad tech space: ad blocking technology. Ad blockers can be a real hurdle, affecting both your revenue and user experience. But fear not, we've got some expert strategies to help you tackle this head on. First up, diversify your ad formats. Mix it up. From engaging native ads to cleverly placed sponsored content, remember to keep it fresh always. Next, optimize load times. Users love speed. Faster load times means less irritation and more eyes on your content. And here's the kicker: value exchange. Give users a reason to whitelist you. Exclusive content, special deals, or an ad light experience. Make it a win-win. Remember, adaptability is the key to success. Thank you for joining me today. See you next time on Best Publisher Practices.